This is July 11, 2017. What you see before you is a 19-inch KENMORE box fan. This has a thermostat on it also. I just went from high to medium to low, just so you'll be able to hear what I have to say here. I'm going to keep it on low speed. The model number of this fan is 480.80672. Once again, 480.80672. It is a 19-inch. What I did with this fan, all I did with the main body of this fan, the blue part, was just cleaned it thoroughly. And the front and back grille, I did strip the paint off and repaint. If you go to my Facebook account at Gerald, Gerald Freebird Cherney, Chernay, Fan Man, you will see before, during, and after photos of the fan, and you will notice that it does have some battle scars. This fan is pretty heavy, but when I turn it on the side there, to show the side, you can see that this fan was on a stand at one point in time. But I wanted to keep the original paint as much as possible. Like I say, I did repaint the front and back grille because they were just very, very bad looking. But I wanted to keep the original color, or original paint rather, of this fan, even including that top part, just for the fact that in 1965, out here where I live, near Elyria, Ohio, the Sears store opened up at the Midway Mall. And within the next couple of months, the Sears is going to be closing. After 50 some years. So I got to thinking about that, and I got to thinking about how much I should clean this fan up and how much patina should I leave on the fan, and I thought it was just kind of fitting to let it go at least the robin's egg blue body of the fan. It gives kind of a feel to it that when Sears closes, it's done, it's gone, and It's very possible that that whole mall may close up soon. The Sears opened up in that mall when the mall opened up in 1965. I was born in 1964. So I grew up with that mall. I grew up with that Sears, and I remember very distinctly my mom going to Sears to pick up things that she ordered in the catalog. That big, thick Sears catalog that would be laying around the house. So it's kind of sentimental in a way, just to leave the fan in what shape I can leave it without doing too much to it. Just to leave that patina, and something about that patina just brings back the memories of the old Sears, and then drives we would take out there, and sitting and waiting in that chair for Mom's order to come to the window. So there you have it. This is a KENMORE automatic vintage box fan.